Hey, how's it going, guys? Jack and Matt behind the camera there with the Toasty DIY. And today we are putting together the first online PCBros sale. So that's PCBros.com or .tech. I'm just messing everything up.
You're just totally messing everything up.
PCBros.tech if you want to check those builds out, because we do have limited quantities at the moment. But this is one of our $800 build variants. It's a little bit different than what's listed on the website because we're still waiting on the actual MSI 5500 XT graphics card, and we're also still waiting on the EVGA 500 watt power supply. But other than that, this build is exactly how it will come, and it's going to look the exact same, perform the exact same. But yeah, we're really excited to finally get one together, get some benchmarks, and actually have proper pictures on the website.
So we're gonna go ahead and time lapse this build, just a quick time lapse on the GoPro, show you all putting it together and show you the final result. And yeah, just give you all the behind the scenes coverage you all subscribe for. So let's go ahead and do that, shall we? Okay guys, we have the PC all plugged up and ready to turn on. Let's see what the RGB looks like. Woo! Look at that, guys.
So yeah, you got a reset switch, power button. You have RGB modes that you can change, which is pretty cool. You also have some USB ports up front. You have 2 audio jacks in and out. You have plenty of I/O options in the rear as well, and you can have up to 4 monitors on these graphics card as well, so pretty cool.
Yeah, we're on like a demo RGB mode right now, but of course we'll probably have it shipped like out of box with the rainbow RGB effect that we would like to go with, which is probably right there. There you go.
Yeah.
So it matches the RAM, looks kind of nice. But yeah, these are going to be readily available. If you guys are interested in picking them up, check them out. We'll probably have some benchmarks on the website by the time this video goes live, so you'll see how this thing performs before you make a purchase. And of course, it has the Toasty Bros quality behind it. So thank you guys again for watching. If you haven't done so already, like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe on Toasty DIY. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace out.